Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can modify and sculpt geometric caches in Unreal Engine. We will use Mesh Morpher Graph. Mesh Morpher Graph has this new functionality that allows us to do this operation to modify geometric caches right inside Unreal Engine, right? So to do that, we need to open a graph and we need to search for a node, load geometric cache node, which will allow us to select our geometric cache we will work with, right? So after we select our geometric cache, we select sculpt geometry cache. When we select the geometric cache node, we will see a timeline here. A new timeline will appear here. And here we will be able to select a frame we want to sculpt and also a range, right? If we click anywhere in the timeline and drag the red handle, it will create a range. After we have the range, we can modify, of course, the start of the range, and we can also modify the end of the range. And we can also enter manually the values here, right? So now what we want to do, we will work with a range here just for the sake of it, and we will create some test deformation. We just want to showcase this, right? So we just want to have a little bit of fun here. And what I did is I created these horns in range 373 and 724. And now what I can also do is I can move this range and modify by the same length, but another range, right? So I can do this. And what I can also do is I can create a fade in and fade out, right? So if I put here a value of 10, then my sculpt for this operation will be by creating a smooth fade in, right? So let's also do a fade in and fade out. And let's test it out. We will see that our operation is now fading in and out, right? Okay, now that we've created these deformations, we want to write them to our geometry cache, right? Because now they're just in Mesh Morpher Graph. And to write them, we need to accept this operation, right? So we have here some write options. We can also write motion vectors, store imported vertex numbers, and apply constant topology optimizations, right? I'm going to use the default, and I'm just going to accept. Okay, we successfully applied our changes to geometry cache asset, and now we can test it out. And let's search for our deformations here. And we started our changes around this frame. You can see the horns. And now with the fade in our next deformation. That was the fade out, and that's it. This is how we can sculpt geometry caches. This is still experimental. I'm trying to build very comprehensive functionality for geometry caches. If you have any ideas, if you have any suggestions, just let me know. This is very powerful, and it enables us a lot of freedom in how we can modify our assets in Unreal Engine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this functionality, don't forget to hit the like button and see you around. Bye.